Hello everybody, welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson we will know how to create an animated background with JavaScript and CSS using the Particles.js library. The code will be linked in the description as usual, and let's go and see what we need to create like the following. First of all, you'll need to get the library, which is Particles.js. You will search in the Google Particles.js to download, and you will get a link for that. Download it and extract it on your place. We have explained how to download it in previous lessons, so we will extract it. We will open it. I will need the Particles.js file here. I'll copy and paste it over there, and I'll need also another file which would be in the demo JavaScript, and this is app.js. Copy and paste. Great. Then I'll go to the code. I will create here our files. I will create here an empty HTML file. I will say shapes. Okay, so it's animated shapes. Then I will link the files we have already. I will see script, and I will see src, the source of the script, and the other one, which is the app. I will delete this one. I will see app.js. Great. Then I will open the app.js. Before I open it, I will go here and I will say, I will create over in the body, I will create a DOM element, which will be div, for example, div or section or whatever you want. Here I will give it an ID. I will see shape ID, and here in the in the head, I will write a style for that shape. For that ID, I will say style, and over here I will see body. Let's give it a padding 0 and margin 0. Margin 0. Then we need overflow hidden. Great. Then I will create a style, a background style for the ID. We have a shape ID, which is over here, and copy, paste, and let's say the background, and I will see the background is linear gradient, and let's see to top, and here I write the color I wanted. For example, let's see 9C 9E 10668, which would be a purple color. The second color will be the hash ff5ec ec5. You could adjust the colors as you want. So let's refresh and see what we have over there. Let's double click that element and see what we have. Okay, we still have nothing. Why? I will see now why. The background. Okay, shape ID. Yes, shape ID has it's still empty. I will open the app here and I will change the ID of that. I will take this ID copy and I will come here. I will replace it. Replace this ID with the following ID. So this this function, which is Particles.js, receives 3 elements, which is one ID and the parameters. Let's refresh now. Okay, it's amazing. Now let's can adjust the app.js. First of all, I'll need to adjust the, let's see what, the links over here. I need no link to be over there. I will see link to false. Okay, so you see the link is removed. Also, I need, when I hover, I don't need anything to be moved away. So I will come to move, and okay, in the move, I will see the hover false. Okay, save it, refresh. Okay, when we hover, there's nothing to be over there. Also, I need the size to be the number, let's see, it would be 100%, 100 pace. Then we need to change the size. Let's see the size. I will see it would be, for example, 14. Save it, refresh. Okay, now we will change the color, and the color will be changed over here. To add multiple values, you will add it like the following. So I will say hash, okay, sorry, so that I could change it from here. I will say, for example, let's see, green, choose, okay, another, I'm sorry, copy, paste, and let's change it to if means white color, okay, then change the white color over like yellow, then over here we'll say hash ff, okay, so we could change the color over here too. I will say, let's see, blue, then over here I'll say hash, okay, let's remove this debug, and here I will say that color, let's add one more color, let's see hash, and let's come and change it to white, okay, white, save it and come and refresh, see what we have. Here's the color that we have it over there. Great. Okay, now we could change the shapes. I think the size is okay, the size is not so small. So the size to change it, you will create an array. Inside the array you will write the size you have it. For example, circle, save, it's a circle by the way. Rectangle, for example, let's say edge, which means the the square, when you have it square over there. Also we will create another, which would be, for example, triangle, okay, triangle, and let's say polygon, save and refresh. Also we have star, I think, star, save, now refresh. Great. Here's the star, the polygon, the triangle, also we have the square, which is the edge, and the circle as well. Where's the circle? Yes, the circle over here. Great. Now we could change also the opacity, for example. I will say, let's see, the opacity would be 8, means large, and the minimum opacity will be, let's see, 3. So refresh. No, it was better than before. Save it, refresh. Okay, like that is great. I need to change the speed. This would be, for example, 5. You could manipulate these elements as you like. Okay, so let's see here, 1, 1. Also I need to change the size. The size is small here. I will say, for example, let's see, 17. Save it, refresh. Okay, now it's great. The color, and in the color to be changed, let's go back and change the color. What type of color you need to change? I need to change this one. I will say it should be darker. Okay, also I need to change the other one, which is the green. The green should be darker too, darker a little bit, save. Okay, now it's better. What should we add also? Okay, we could add another color. Let's see, I will add a red color. I'll see over here, RGB, which is red. Then let's see, 5444. Save it, then refresh. Okay, the red is over there. So okay, great. So we have changed the circles, the shapes over there. We changed the opacity. We changed also the click. When we click, number of shapes will be many. Created a lot of them. So this was the lesson. Thanks for listening and watching, and see you again in another video. Bye for now.